Welcome back to Melodic Art, and today I have a very special unboxing. I've been buying myself, as you may notice, more handmade paints, and the last couple, I'm sorry I'm sick too, but I couldn't not open these. They're just too amazing. I got halfway through opening it and then I had to stop and say I have to do a video for these because she just made this so special. But I did buy a couple from Watercolors, and she is an amazing, brand new watercolor maker. And this is Earth Mineral Arts. This is Margot, and she's from New Mexico. And I just gotta say, all sorts of good vibes are coming from this. Like, she's just an amazing person, and I'm sure anybody who's worked with her will tell you this very same thing. So I don't buy from Etsy. I don't ever buy from them. I boycotted them. There's someone there selling my stuff under their own name. So I talked with Etsy about it and they wouldn't clear it up. Apparently I have to go through a lot more hoops and hire a lawyer, etc., in order for them to stop selling my stuff. But so I said, you know what, that's it for me and Etsy. We're going to part ways. So I emailed Margot and I said, you know, is there any way that you could work with me off Etsy for me to buy them? And she was a little hesitant because, I mean, we've never spoke. But she said, sure, you know, go ahead and send me payment and then I'll send you the product. So that's what I did. And I hope, okay, so what I bought was I wanted the samples that she offers. There's 6 different dot cards, and you can choose any color of her. She's got a ton, so choosing 6 is kind of hard because there's so many to choose from. So I chose 6, and she said she would throw in one more, so I gave her the choice for that. But I don't know, I think she gave me more than that because I shouldn't be getting a tin, I don't think. So here's her sweet, I think this is rice paper or maybe paper, a natural paper. And she's just so personal, and this is really what you want from a someone who's making paints handmade. You want this kind of care from someone who will write you a very special note, give you a little additional add-ons. I mean, this is what I look for anyway. So I haven't opened either of these. I've only opened the main envelope. So sorry, sick. Here, I'm trying to get through this, not sounding too sick. So this is maybe her selections for the future, because probably I will be ordering from her soon. Wow, this is huge. Oh my word. Okay, so wow, you get a whole glossy print of her. Oh my gosh, this is art in itself, of all of the colors that she offers. That is too cool. I honestly, I've done a little bit of research on her, but I cannot really find a lot about her. I know that she works with natural products, and the sample cards are from her own. She says they are handmade mineral watercolors from the Cedar and Bee and the Ancient Paint series. That sounds so really cool, doesn't it? So let's go ahead and see what this is. I cannot wait to open this, and I almost think, oh, I'm a little afraid to open it because I feel like I should give her some more money. This is so cool. And you know what I'm missing is my sense of smell, because I like to smell stuff when I get stuff in the mail. And I think I do smell a little bit of clove, but I'm not sure. Oh, look at that. Guys, this is so cool. Oh, it's a hinged. And these are just supposed to be samples. Oh my word. This is so neat. Let me see what this is. This is probably for when you need to put your, oh, Oh, it's for, you know, a little cigar case. Oh, look, there's a magnet on there. What? That's so cool. Great idea. Ah, this is neat. Okay, so these are the samples that I had asked for, I think, and I think I remember what I asked for. This wasn't very long ago. She's a very fast shipper. I'm on the east and she's on the west of the US. And this came within 2 or 3 days. Super, super fast. Let's see. Alrighty. Oh my word, look at that. Oh my word. These are all the ones that I asked for. That, I mean, can you get over that? I cannot get over it. Look at this. Oh my word, she actually poured the ones I asked for. So this is the extra. Oh my word. Wow. So the samples I asked for are the large ones, and I said, well, if you don't have the 7th or whatever, which the 7th one I had asked for, because I'm only supposed to be getting 6 here. I said, if you don't have one of them, I'll trade it out for the pine shadow, and she added that as well. Oh my word. Thank you so much, Margot. You're just an amazing person. Thank you. This is how you sell your product. This is just above and beyond and amazing. And she did them all in the rainbow order. I could completely carry this with me, which I will. Next, I'm going to be swatching these. I'm just really, really blown away and grateful. This handmade stuff, you know, it's awesome. And I can't wait to smell them. I can't smell them right now. But then I could carry them in here. They fit perfectly. Oh, wow. Okay, I'll swatch these after. Okay, so I am back to swatch these out. And I'm very, very excited about it. I figured out what these are. These are Yupo paper, which is a polyethylene paper. So you can use the side to mix. She has it, has the Yupo paper with a magnet on it so that you can clean it and put it back, which is great. And I believe these are also Yupo here. And this is natural paper of some sort. I'm not sure what it is. And this is wax paper, and this is really cool. So let's go. Let's do this. So the first color in these generous dots is Yellow Lotus. And I hope I hope these are dry enough. I'm not gonna make a smudge. So this is my cool yellow. Yeah, these are a little bit the paint that the ink is a little bit still a little bit wet. So this is pretty true color though. And it's very transparent. It's gorgeous. A little bit like a bismuth or Aurelian. And this is Goldfinch Ochre. Keep getting my brush too wet. Which is beautiful. Very golden ochre. Semi-transparent. Beautiful. Let's see. And the next is Red Bunting Warm. She just did a beautiful photo of this outdoors in a field. And it was so beautiful. I was like, I'm getting that dot. I can't wait. So yeah, this is beautiful as well. Reminds me of a PR 112 or something, or PR 254 maybe. The next is, I think it's a Virginia Creeper, and it is a dark PR 101, I believe. Some kind of like a burgundy. Wow, like a Comput Mortem that's so burgundy. Wow. Really gorgeous. Already in love with this one. Wow, look at that. Wow. Yes. Yes, I'm so glad I got that one. So, these are still wet, so I'm going to hold that with my finger. Next is a Pine Shade. Oops, too wet. So let's see what this does. What is this? Chromium Oxide Dark? This is neat. It's granulating, it's gorgeous, and it's a dark chromium oxide, I think? Wow, that's nice. Next is Deep Butterfly Green. Kind of PG. Wow, what is this? PG. This is a mix. This might be PB29, which is ultramarine blue, and a yellow mix. It's really pretty. It's a little bit granulating too. Wow, that's beautiful. So, what are we doing next? The violet. This is Caldera Violet, which is almost like a dioxazine, but with granulation. Maybe a PB. It's just right. It's kind of that purple that's just right. Kind of like a lavender. Cool. Next is Deep Ocean Blue, and it looks like a phthalo mixed with a black maybe. So phthalo blue, PB15. Wow, it's pretty. It's very turquoisey. Look at that. This is like a peacock blue, like a PB15-3 or something. But it's kind of got a granulation to it. Maybe a little. It could be this cotton paper that I'm working on. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Hi, so I'm so sorry my battery died at the end there, but I just wanted to show you these colors now that they're dry. They're so beautiful, and they match up with this chart so well. This is great for collectors because then you can just sort of say, okay, now I have this one. And this is the next day because I've actually lost my voice, so I'm going to go ahead and cut to the time lapse. I don't have to keep talking, and I'm going to work in this sketchbook that I made for myself. This is an old folder my son won't use, so I just cut it down and put the pages inside and sewed a couple spots. So this is really good for just quick sketchbook making. So I'm going to work in this. This is like 90-pound cold press watercolor paper in here, very thin, but it works. And I'll do something with these. And thanks for joining me. We'll see you again soon.